my cowbird. She wants in. Don't know why. She's been intrigued with this window. And trying to get in for the last 3 or 4 days. Nope, given up. What do you think, mate? The squirrel's wrecking things. He's just knocked the feeder. Tried to empty everything out of the feeder upside down. There's just sparrow on there at the minute. There's my cowbird coming back again. Female cowbird. Something's attracting her to this door. And it's not Maggie. Maybe she thinks it's a good nesting site. She's coming back again. Intrigued, she is. She says, I want in there. I want in. Let me in. Maybe she knows this is the source of the feed, bird feed. Shaky hand. My battery's just about to run out. Maggie's still watching her squirrel. I think that's all I can do. My battery's just about to run out.